Hi friends, welcome to Turin Epicurean Capital 2022. We are here today with a special person, is Alex. Hi Alex.
Hi,
So Alex, where are you from?
I'm from Ukraine. Yeah.
Okay, so this edition I really wanted to move the spotlight, okay? So tell us about Kiev. What was life like? What are you missing from home?
Actually, from time when we moved here,
Mm-hmm.
life changed absolutely. We lost a lot of things which often we mention like unchangeable and it's forever, but it changed in one moment. And I with my mom also really missing for our home. And when we started talk with Italian persons, we find that here it's not clear opinion about Eastern Europe, because actually in our country we have a lot of the same things with a Western European culture, and it shows everywhere. For example, in we have developed culture of food, wines.
Okay,
Food,
yeah,
yeah.
you see, people who haven't traveled over to Ukraine do not know anything. So, what's the national food in Ukraine?
Oh, actually, it's related more with something. Um, mm,
Well, it's definitely not pasta and not risotto, right?
past. Yeah, it's we have different soups.
Mm-hmm.
It's so popular because it's you become warming
Yes,
up.
because the weather is so cold up there.
Yes.
Come closer, come closer. Okay, so soup. What about ravioli? Do you have raviolis?
Yes, it's
Okay.
called pelmeni.
Okay. Is it
It's
like the Polish ones
uh,
or not? It's a different.
no, but it's like in general Slavic vareniki. Yes, it's like Slavic dishes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And what is life in Kiev like on a Saturday? What do young people like you do in the weekend?
Oh, it's on Saturday and also in weekend. All the streets, actually, center is full of people, full of inhabitants of our city. A lot of people came from other Ukrainian cities to visit the Kiev because it's a capital.
Yeah, but what do? You go for we go in Turin, obviously we go for gelato. What do people do in Kiev?
Oh, it's the same. A lot of cafes, restaurants, big amount of cinemas or some entertainment events. It could be or big concerts or opera.
So the art
everything.
scene is very vibrant.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the economy like normally? Is it like booming, like growing fast, or?
Sure.
Okay.
From last years, our economy started growing up, and a lot of new things we earn. For
Yes.
example, a lot of people started traveling a lot. It's not a big, not expensive something. Yeah, a lot of people started learn foreign languages, reading different literature.
Okay. So
Yes.
so the cultural life has been booming too. So two key places to visit in Ukraine when this nightmare is over. Two important places in Ukraine that people should absolutely see and visit.
Of course, our capital, it's Kiev.
Kiev.
It's ancient city, very interesting. Actually, Odessa, it's like our tourist capital near the sea with cool beaches and also ancient history with beautiful architecture. Our mountains and eastern region or western region
Okay.
with mountain cities of Lviv, Chernovtsi, with a lot of castles, and we have a Bukovel, it's ski resort.
Mhm.
With beautiful landscapes. I really like it.
Okay. So guys, you mark it down, okay? So you will need at least 2 weeks to really get to know Ukraine, at least, right? Okay. Well, thank you so much, Alex, for sharing your memories about your own country. We hope that everybody can visit soon, because definitely it looks like a very interesting country and culture, and very nice people too.
Thank you for interview.
Okay, thank you.